Hey folks, been a cool day across the valley. Clouds going to be sticking around all day after the morning rain went away. Temperatures still in the 60s. Brownsville hit 70. Everybody else stayed in the 60s all day. 66 in Port Isabel, also in Raymondville, Harlingen, McAllen, same thing. 69 in Brownsville right now. A couple of 64s on the map as well. Dew points are still down. Dew points are in the 50s in most locations, a little higher along the coast. We'll put that on the muggy meter, and we're down here in the 50s right now. So pretty comfortable across the region still. Even with the cloud cover, it's still a pretty comfortable evening out there. Our lows tonight will drop down to close to what the dew points are now, so we'll get down into the upper 50s. Can't rule out some patchy fog once that wind turns back out of the southeast. Once that wind shifts, it warms up tomorrow. Look at this. We are back in the 80s valley-wide, even the island at 80, 85 to 86 when you get out west with some afternoon sunshine. Probably some clouds early, but as the day goes on, sun will come out. Things should warm up pretty nicely. Normal high is 79. We're going to go 84 tomorrow, but then much cooler for Wednesday. And for Thanksgiving, only 73 for a high. And the low Thanksgiving morning is going to be in the 40s, so a very cool Thanksgiving day across the area. Here's a cloud cover picture, and the clouds were thick this morning. That's the rain moving across. What's left is just a veil of low clouds, and they're going to stick around much of the night. They don't go much of anywhere. Could be a brief shower near the coast, but for the most part, it's a dry night, just a cloudy night across the valley. By tomorrow afternoon, those clouds thin out. We get some sunshine across the area. That helps warm those temperatures up that we showed you into the 80s. And then tomorrow night, clouds come back in because there's a front coming in. Sometime probably after midnight. With that front, there could be a shower, maybe an isolated thunder shower, but for the most part, I think it's just passing showers as the front goes through. By the time you get to 7 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday, still clouds and still some showers along the coast, but I think most of the valley will just be cloudy to start the day. And again, maybe a leftover shower early, but by afternoon, those clouds thin out again. Leftover cloud cover at the coast. The rest of the valley sees sunshine by Wednesday afternoon, but a cooler day courtesy of that front. And take a look. Rain chances go 30%. 30%. This is late tomorrow, not during the daytime, but tomorrow night into early Wednesday. By Wednesday afternoon, I think the chances really fade away. And then for Thanksgiving, we are dry. So we saw high temperature in the low 70s with dry conditions for Thanksgiving. Rest of the state, here's what's going on. Readings 50s and 60s, 50 in Dalhart right now, 60 in Dallas. Same thing in Houston, San Antonio, a little warmer at 64. Some clouds moving into the northern part of the state. Our front, not even in Texas yet. The front we're talking about coming in tomorrow night just moves into Texas tomorrow afternoon. It's moving fast, though. It'll race southward. Again, coming to the valley probably after midnight tomorrow night. Between then and dawn, and by 7 a.m. it is south of us. Cooler weather building in. There's the clouds, there's the showers, but by Wednesday afternoon that starts to taper off, and by Thursday I think it's all gone. By Thursday, sunshine, cool conditions. Looks pretty nice for Thanksgiving afternoon after you have your Thanksgiving dinner and get outside and walk it off, right? Okay, it's going to be that way. Probably nice all the way into the weekend, although we will be warming up as we get closer to the weekend. So for tonight, mainly cloudy and cool. Your low temperature should be around 58 degrees tonight. East-southeasterly wind, about 4 to 8 miles an hour, so a light wind tonight. Then tomorrow we start with clouds. Sun comes out in the afternoon. High temperature climbs up to around 84 degrees. Winds out of the southeast, not much more than about 5 to 10. So a very warm day tomorrow. Front comes in tomorrow night. A morning shower possible Wednesday, only 71 for Thanksgiving. A low of 47. And a high of 73. So when you get up in the morning, put the turkey in the oven, it's going to be cold outside. We bounce back to 73 in the afternoon. That's still a cool day with bright sunshine. Friday back to 79, and that's when you're waiting in line for those sales at 48 degrees in the morning. Saturday, Sunday, 85, 81. Warm temperatures back just in time for the weekend. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.